Hey, Ojama Garrett's back with video number 3 for today. Another quick tutorial because I was trying to game, but I don't know. I'm just in a funk. I'm not really. The commentary's not that good, so I'm just gonna try to do stuff like this to help you guys out. So this is my third video, and before we get into that, if you could, would you please subscribe to my channel if this was helpful at all, or if you're just feeling generous. I'm just grinding them out, trying to get content every day. Anyway, let's jump into it. So today. We're going to do another little ChatGPT. This does work with Plus and with the free version. 3.5 is pretty good. 3.5 was good before it finally got upgraded to 4. And essentially what we're going to be talking about today is how to use ChatGPT to help you write scripting. So I'm making a video today on how to write scripts for ChatGPT, or for my video for YouTube today. Sorry, I'm a little tired. So essentially, yeah, so if I was hitting a writer's block like this today, this is pretty good. I would just start off by saying that. So essentially how I talk to ChatGPT is I would talk to it I would just try to envision who I'm talking to, because ChatGPT is trying to mimic human behavior, okay? So I would be like, okay, so you're my personal YouTube assistant, you're my writer. I've hired a team of writers to write for me, and we're going to write my script here. We're going to work on it. I have a vision for a script. I want to make a video about how to help people write scripts for for YouTube using ChatGPT. So I'm like, hey, just talk to him just how you would anybody else. Like texting your mom or something. Hey, I want to make a video on how to write scripts using ChatGPT. And no, you can extend on to this, if you have specific questions, can you give me some ideas? What should or I would just say, thoughts, and then just let it ride. See what it says. And then it'll bounce off. You give it an input, it'll give you an output, and then you can use that output, and it'll start stimulating your subconscious to start, forming, to continue. This is what I'm saying. It'll help break the writer's block. So I can't recommend that I can't recommend enough that if you want to make content or make something in general, or if you're just bored, this is one of the most high value products on the market that I've been able to find. $20 a month for infinite information machine. Not only is this thing the internet, it searches the internet for you and then tries to bring you the best results. So you don't even have to. It's like Amazon for the internet search. You know what I mean? It's distilling it for you and trying to feed you back based on what you gave it. So I mean, this is such a good product. I'm not sponsored or nothing like that. Obviously, if I was sponsored, I'd have more subs or something. But this has been the MVP. This is gonna the sooner you start using ChatGPT, the sooner you're gonna be getting ahead of your whoever you're against. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's see here. So let's see. Creating a video on how to write scripts using ChatGPT is a fantastic idea. Thanks. It always pumps you up. That's also the best part about it. No matter what, it's always happy to help you. It's not like a person. It's not like me. If you ask me to do something, I'm usually pretty grumpy about it. But if you ask ChatGPT, it'll let you punch it in the face with a smile on his face. But yeah. So he says this topic is both relevant and engaging for a wide audience, especially those interested in content creation. Well, no duh. Thank you, though. Script writing, here's some thoughts. Introduction to ChatGPT. Start by introducing ChatGPT, which I kind of did. And assisted script writing. Setting up the scene. Describe this type of script. Yeah, who cares about that? If you want to, yeah, do that, whatever. Demonstrations. We're kind of going into that. So then, step 2 would be, okay, so we got some stuff, you got ideas here. It's just to help you start framing the script. So I kind of have a script strategy. So my script strategy is I always just make it right. It's my assistant. Write me a script. Write me a sample script. And you want to say it like that. You want to say a sample script because twofold. You don't want ChatGPT doing the work for you, because once you start trying to get the AI to do the work for you, that's where you get the very obvious AI work. We're not trying to make AI do the work for us. We're trying to use AI to bring our vision into the world, not just have it do the work for us and then us try to profit. That's shortcutting, and I've seen a lot of content come out, and it's very obvious. I mean, it's obvious to me, but people are going to be catching on to it pretty quick, and they're not going to like it. It's going to make you look scuzzy, and it's really going to hurt your brand. And in content creation, from all the most successful people I've seen, from my perspective, it is all about brand. Anyway, so this is turning into a little bit more than a quick tutorial, but I hope that this helps if anybody's here listening. I think what I'm saying is pretty on the mark. You could probably go check me against other YouTubers, and I'm pretty sure I'm on the mark. But anyway, Yeah, so twofold. So you want to have it give you a sample because you don't want it doing the work for you, and you want it open-ended. You don't want it like done for you because the product it's going to give you is not what you want unless you spend the amount of time telling it how exactly you want it to write. That you might as well have just done it yourself. You just want it to keep like write me a sample script for this video. Yeah, that's pretty much all you need. Write me a sample script, like an example, or you could say like an example script. And essentially, we're just looking at it for formatting and stuff like that, and then just see if we agree with the pacing and the formatting with the script. So, like, look at this. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Your Channel Name. Today, we're diving into the future of script writing with a tool that's changing the game. ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned scriptwriter or just starting out, this video is going to show you how to harness the power of AI to bring your stories to life. So, let's get started. You know what I mean? Like, that's super cookie cutter, super basic. You don't want that as your final product. So, I mean, but it's nice because it is framing it for you. So, it gave you a sample title. This sucks. How to write amazing scripts using ChatGPT? Sure, yeah, cookie cutter. I mean, but personalize it. Or that's just good enough. If you just want a basic video that just gets basic views, or not basic views. I'm not. If you just want a basic title, this is just fine. You know what I mean? That's not the important part. The important part is we're looking for the frame, the whole frame. So now you have an intro. You know, it's reminding you to get some music, clips or whatever. I don't really look at that, but I'm just saying like there's an intro. And then welcome host. I'm the host. It tells me to write an intro. So now I'm taking this and I'm writing my intro. So like I'll pop my little WordPad over here and I'll just go title, intro, and then I'll make a dash and then come back to it later. And then that's where I'll write my intro. Segment 1, introduction ChatGPT. So then I'll be like, you know, like kind of like coding, describe chat GPT, and then I'll come back to it and write the, you know, I'm just getting the frame, blah, 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 you know, whatever, maybe, you know, you could use this, just use it and just like draw from it. Don't use it, you know what I mean, draw from it. Visuals, whatever. We're just writing a script. We're not worried about the whole video editing here, so maybe I could have told it to write me better. Getting started with script writing. It's all about the prompts. See, I was talking to you guys about that already. I'm kind of freestyling this because I'm just like showing my flow. But yeah, you'd grab this. So like your segment 2. So then you just go. You come back and you just go. Script. What did it say? You can just take this. Actually, I just take this. You can just literally just take it. Segment 3. Segment 4, just for example, I mean, I don't know if I'd even follow this flow, but I'm just trying to move along the video. Then segment 5, ethical, because, yeah, it always, ChatGPT always tries to get you to do the right thing. I like that about, a lot of people find that cringe. I like that. I'm an ethical guy. I like ethics and morals. And then conclusion plus call to action. And then outro, whatever, you know what I mean? So, I mean, like, you got a baseline here. So, like, just simply, so, like, let's take this for instance. Like, when I was reading the first one. Host, hello, everyone. Welcome back to Your Channel Name. I read it, and I didn't like it. So that, because now I know I didn't like it, it was kind of like a negative prompt for me. So this is at least one. So this is to break your writer's block. Like, you have one example here. This kind of sucks. What didn't I like about it? Whatever. Now, I'll go to my script, and I'll write a better intro, you know, because I won't be writing this. Because it's better. So now it's already one step better. You know what I mean? And now we just have a script and we have pacing. We have 6 segments, and essentially then you just come back and then you just start. You know, you describe ChatGPTs, and then you just write what you think you need. It's an AI, personal, YouTube, assistant, $20, super good value. You know what I mean? And then you just keep writing here. And then you get getting started with script writing, and then, you know, right here. But, I mean, you know what I mean? That's essentially what it is. This is my script writing strategy. Is like, you use it to build you frames, give you examples. You come back to it and be like, I'm having an issue with, how can I write? I don't know. This is so simple. I can't. I don't need any help from it. I've already told you the whole thing. You're essentially using ChatGPT to get you some samples so you can build frames from it and then fill it and do the filler yourself. And then also, oh yes, another strategy I like to do sometimes is I'll take my script and just feed it right back into ChatGPT and ask it its opinion on it, and then it'll give you tips and tricks and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So like, let's just take its own. Hey. But I know it might detect that it wrote this anyway, but this will be kind of interesting. What are your thoughts on this? Any tips to make this better? Maybe it'll call me out. That'd be funny. Oh, never mind. He's a little blind. Encourage viewer engagement. Include a challenge or content. See, you know what I'm saying? It just gives you examples of how to build it up, build it up, build it up. It's like your buddy. You know, your buddy that never messages you back when you're asking him for advice or feedback on something. This guy he'll message you back and it's like 50, it's a whole book. He'll send you a book every time you want it. Like, I love you. I'm just kidding. Yeah. But I hope that kind of helps, you know what I mean? Like, this is just a start for ChatGPT. I mean, I'm really tired and I could go a little bit more in depth, but I think I really nailed, I think I hit the mark a little bit. I think I got my point across here. So if you like that, you know, hopefully you get some value out of this. Get ChatGPT. That's pretty much the point I'm trying to make. The whole point of this video is to get ChatGPT and just start chatting, start getting some value out of it. And I'll do more. I think I'll do more ChatGPT videos. These are, if I wasn't so tired, I feel like I'd be able to explain a lot more, a lot better, and stuff like that. But yeah, so like, good luck and have a good day.